Hello, lovelies. I finally got my Sophie and Toffee Elves box from March, and so I thought I'd open it up with you guys. I don't really remember what's supposed to be in it because um, it took forever. Like, I was following the tracking, and once it hit the US, it took almost 2 weeks to get to me. So I don't know what was going on with the Postal Service, but wow, they kept me waiting. By the way, I just thought I should mention the stuff I've been showing when I do my box openings. I've been buying that with my own money, no sponsors or anything else. I have no obligation to be nice if I don't want to be nice. So you are getting honest reactions of usually happy squeeing because, I mean, why would I buy it if I don't expect to like it, right? So without further ado, here we go. Let's find out what's even in this box because I've totally forgotten what to expect. Okay, well that ruined the surprise. Okay, so again, we have the cute card. By the way, sorry about the space being weird. I grabbed a huge lamp off of my sewing desk in an effort to equalize the lighting, and it means that I had to rearrange a bunch of stuff. So, like, all my things are in the way. So this, oh, okay, so this is the Sakura box, which means everything should be kind of flower themed, maybe heart themed. So here we go. And yep, there's some extra items, and then there's some great people on YouTube who have already posted tutorials, but I didn't see any box openings on them. So go figure. So what have we got? Let's get that out of the way. Okay, let's kind of go through the list. So, ooh, trinket box! You guys have probably figured out by now that I really love trinket boxes, so I'm excited to have this to make. Ooh, what are you? I'm gonna just totally skip ahead now. No. What are you? This is, I have no idea what this is based on the things that are listed here. I think this might be like a bonus mold that I was not expecting, which I am totally down with. Maybe it's stamp? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Pigment dyes, 2 pigment dyes, purple and pink. I think I've already got purple from Sophie and Toffee. It is a great color. I am totally happy to have more of it. And pink I didn't have before. Oh, and it even says transparent clear. They are really improving their labels on this, so that is awesome. Spoon! It's a spoon. It's pretty. It is super, super shiny. Check that out. I remember seeing in the comments on the Facebook blog, people were saying, oh, that's great if you make slime. I'm just like, it's pretty. I have no idea what I would do with it given the size of it compared to what I work with, but it's pretty. Pretty. Ooh, sparkles. Spoon wrapping. Okay, so rhinestones to do rhinestone things with. Oh, this is the silver AB rhinestone chain, I'm guessing. It does not appear to have any endings, because here's an ending and here's an ending, so that'll be fun to play with, but I don't know what I'll do with it. Ooh, open bezels! Bezels. Okay, it looks like pretty much one of each Sakura theme bezel that Sophie and Toffee carries, if I remember their catalog right. Ooh, that one's got 2 hooks, so I can connect it to other things. That one does too. That's fun. Yeah, you know, I should do an open bezel video for you guys. I've got enough bezels that I think I could make mistakes and entertain you guys. Ooh, resin. Let's see. 2-part resin, 2-to-1 ratio. Ooh, cures in 6 to 12 hours. That's exciting. That's really exciting because, not gonna lie, the thing I hate about 2-part resin is how long it takes. I'm very much a instant gratification crafter. Ooh, bookmarkers. Oh, I remember seeing these in somebody's video. So these are really flat metal. They're really thin. So you can actually get it into a layer of UV resin. And it's like thinner than some of the dried flowers I've worked with. Come on, gimme. There we go. So you can see, or you almost can't see as I get it turned. There you go. Super, super thin. So if I want to actually incorporate that into a design, I can, or I can, you know, use it as a bookmarker, as its maker intended. And I do need more bookmarkers right now. And then there's the other one, and it's just as thin. Let's see here. Only a few things left. Dried flowers, right? Because this is the flower-themed box. Got some pretty colors in there. Come on. Yeah, I like that red. And, ooh, those are little pansies. Very pretty. Yeah, I could have some fun with those. And stickers! Sakura stickers. So those can definitely go in resin or all over every surface in my craft room, whichever one I want to do. And just going back to the list real quick, spoon, stickers, open bezels, 2 design metal foils. I actually have no idea about about what these actually are. They look like molds. They feel like molds. All right. That's bugging me. Yeah, but we've got plenty of time on the video still, so. Doot. 1. Doot, doot, doot. 2. Okay, so, okay, they do fit together, maybe? No? It looks like they should, but I don't think they do. I'm really not sure. Like stamps, maybe. Like that lines up. Like you look at it, you can see it lines up, but it doesn't actually... Oh wait, it kind of squishes together if I really go squish. This is not a good thing for me to use with resin, given how much I'm turning it and adjusting it, but it looks like I could maybe get some 3D resin things going. So leave a comment below if you want to see me attempt to demo with that, because the mesh should be glorious, and I am willing to do that for you guys. Oh yeah, it's got like a little drain hole thing on the side, it looks like, too, so I can just squirt resin all over the place. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me make a disaster with that. I'm totally down to do that for you. As always, feel free to like, feel free to comment, subscribe. The link to my Patreon will be down below, along with the link to my Facebook and whatever other social media I feel like sharing at the time. And I'll see you guys on the internet. Thank you, lovelies.